Hello, everyone. My name is Javiera or Javi. I am a partner sales executive across Microsoft Elevate Asia for security, and I'm delighted to be working alongside our partner today to talk about the state of AI. Next slide, please. And so what is this fancy term, Microsoft Elevate? So just to introduce this part of the organization, Microsoft Elevate brings into one organization our technology support, donations and sales for schools, community colleges and non-profit organizations globally. We are committed to a future where AI supports economic growth and improves the lives of people, including school, at work and in their personal lives. And we do this by bringing the power of AI to those communities mentioned, as the only way technology can enable changes is if actually people know how to use it. And that is why we will continue to invest in skilling for nonprofits and education, as well as the global workforce, as we all navigate through the AI economy. And we are incredibly proud that CBS has made a commitment to partner with us here in Australia and New Zealand. Next slide, please. So let's shift and focus on what's actually happening within the sector. So nonprofits aren't just talking about AI, they're actually already using it, and it's really making a difference. So for many organizations, AI is helping clarify their mission, amplify their impact, and it's not just about technology, it's about the data and insights to reach more people and serve communities better. And all the customers on the call know this all too well. So it's helping strategic planning to get a boost, and AI can obviously support spotting trends and helping teams make smarter decisions, whether it's about optimizing resources or predicting the outcomes of new programs. On the operational side, automation is obviously freeing up staff from repetitive tasks and actually focusing on the work that matters and connecting constituents, delivering services and innovating. But security and privacy are still top of mind, and AI is helping nonprofit organizations protect sensitive data and maintain trust with donors, volunteers, and the communities and people that they serve. We know about fundraising, and it's another area where AI shines. It's about analysing donor behaviour and personalising outreach, and there's a stronger engagement and more sustainable growth. But the bottom line is AI is already driving transformation across nonprofits that embrace it and are seeing measurable results in efficiency, impact, and relationships. Next slide, please. So what I just want to draw your attention to, as I mentioned before, that security and privacy is in top of mind, is that beyond the challenges specific to nonprofits and social impact sectors, security threats are actually increasing worldwide. So according to the 2025 Microsoft Digital Defense Report, as you can see on the screen there, think tanks and nonprofit organizations became the fourth most targeted by nation-state threat actors. But it's not all doom and gloom. It's about just knowing that information and knowing what to do with it. Next slide, please. So we must ensure that our AI solutions are relevant to nonprofit organizations to support their most pressing needs. So as we all know, it starts with people. We alongside our partners aim to enrich staff experiences by empowering you as non-for-profit organisations, your workers and your volunteers to do more with less through intuitive AI-powered tools to reduce friction and amplify impact. And then obviously it's about mission, helping you nonprofit organizations deliver impactful programs by streamlining operations and modernizing how you engage with your volunteer and your people that you serve. And as you know, in this room, relationships are the core at nonprofit outreach. And we obviously want to help enable you to engage your supporters and funders more effectively, reaching people, deepening trust, and driving sustained support. And finally, it's about scale and sustainability. We support alongside our partners, transforming operations and evolving how you deliver your mission-critical work with agility, transparency, and measurable outcomes. And it wouldn't be Microsoft if we didn't say that obviously eligible nonprofits have access to grants and discounts across our Microsoft Cloud stack, including Microsoft 365, Copilot, Microsoft Azure, Dynamics, Copilot Studio, and more. And CBS is one of our partners that supports us to do that. And the final slide, please, Raji. This is just a bit of statistics in terms of what's happening to ensure that AI solutions are relevant across organizations like yourself to support the most pressing needs. So when we actually look at this sector, we're talking about a population of over 10 million nonprofits around the world. And among these nonprofits, 74% believe technology is essential, but yet only 36% of those are actually satisfied with the existing technology. And because nonprofits are facing funding shortages, they know and will have to find more efficient ways to drive greater impact. So I'm excited to say that part of obviously this talk is about supporting obviously CBS as a partner to help you actually make those transformations.